and welcome to the amazing burial ground at Hirst, Shipley. Now in this episode I'm going to take you right across there and show you a grave that belongs to a gentleman, an important gentleman in my opinion, and unfortunately holds a tragic story with the family grave. Now I've had a slightly different touch to the channel. Wherever we can, we shall try to restore history along our way. If we've got the means and the resources, we've come across a grave, we'll try to restore it. It'll give it another 100 years lease of life, otherwise the history will just disappear. Here lies the sad and tragic grave of the Patterson family. It looks like this grave was a victim of vandalism. Now Jas For Patterson, he was the head of the household. He was actually born in Edinburgh, Scotland in 1848 and moved to Bradford, and was actually one of the founding fathers of Bradford Daily Telegraph, and he was credited with the introduction of carrier pigeons as a way of speeding up news reporting. He actually died on 10th of August 1927 just up the road from here at number 1 Cunliffe Villas. Now what's interesting about this headstone is it mentions 2 brothers. Both brothers are not actually buried in this grave, they are buried in France because they both joined the military and paid the ultimate price. The first brother, John Ewart Patterson, he died on the 4th of June 1916. He accidentally died by a collision with a French vehicle. He was a corporal at the Royal Engineers. He's actually buried in a communal cemetery in France. And unfortunately, the second brother, George Gordon Patterson, his body was never found. He was missing in action, and he died on the 25th of September 1916. And he is memorialised at the 𝗕𝗥𝗘𝗢 Memorial for the missing. There is also mention of the youngest son. Now he didn't join the army, he became an architect, but unfortunately he died on the 19th of October 1928, and it looks like it all points to suicide, because if you look at the death certificate it says drowning himself in Lake Windermere whilst in an unsound state of mind. All 3 brothers went to Bradford Grammar School, and John Ewart Patterson and George Gordon Patterson are memorialised at the War Memorial at the school.
You can see here that the covers have been broken, and our problem is it will all be attached. So it's going to be quite a difficult day today. Our intention is to lift it back up, see if it's safe enough to leave back up, and then what we're going to do, we're going to have to attach these to the plinth here. Yeah, it's actually broke the ones below it as well. What we've just done is we've just taken the curbstones from the Patterson grave. Because of all the vegetation, it was very slippy this morning. Yeah, just at the moment we're just getting ready to put the airframe in, but it's a bit uneven all the surfaces.
So Graham, a quick question.
Yeah.
From what I gather, grave A13 has collapsed over grave A12. But why have you cleaned this area up here?
Because the curb sets were in the way,
right,
and we couldn't actually put the airframe up. So we're going to have to make some space, you know, because it's so awkward. Go on, keep lifting. Lift. Perfect. Right. Yeah. Can we get that? Got it? The front of this has been up against that at one point, so we have to cut. We've got quite a bit of lifting to do here. We're lifting it up here. You can only lift it so much because it's got some chain in it. Okay, lift it up.
Yeah, it looks like they've still got a few issues. They're just moving some of the stonework, cleaning the area, making it safe so they can lift this massive stone up.
Okay, lift it a little bit more. Steady, 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 steady. We'll have to dig some out there, you know, so we can get this plinth on here, this timber across there. So we're going to have to dig down there, along there, so because we're lifting too much weight. Yeah, that's fine. Just press that down and push it in, Craig. You know, so it slides up the thing here. Lower it down, lower it down, lower it down.
Graham, I thought this would be the easiest one we're going to do, but a bit challenging.
This is quite challenging,
yeah,
is this? We have to make sure, you know, obviously we don't disturb any more of this grave.
No.
But it's quite a challenging one, Liz. Yes. Hold on now, hold on. Okay. Just hold on now, hold on, hold on. Tighten it up now. Yeah, I think that's right.
What are you doing here, Graham?
I'm measuring, because what we're going to do, we're going to put extra long pins in, because this is going to actually be part of the structure of this. Yeah?
Yeah. Down a little bit more. Right.
Yeah? Just over the edge now.
On here.
That's it. Oops. Bit short, that, innit? Who measured that? Slow it down.
Down, yeah,
Down,
slowly.
What's that better?
No.
Yeah, don't worry about that bit.